If you click on the email selection, you'll notice that your name is going to show up in the sender's box. This is because as you've scanned in your card or your ID, it's going to automatically add whatever email address is associated to your card into the sender's list. So you will be able to walk up to the machine, scan your card, click on email, and put your originals into the feeder, and then just press the send button here to send out a quick scan. This will cut down on having to search for users or have to go in and specifically add your name. However, if you do need to add any other contacts or a different contact, you'll just click this Add Recipient button, which will give you all of your different selections here. From here, you can manual entry by typing in the entire email address, or you can go into your network address book if you do have one of those available and search up any email address that you need to find through there. The next thing in this top yellow area, you have a subject line that you can change. And this just lets you type in whatever subject that you would like to show up in your email address. You also have the ability to rename your file from here where this little paperclip is. All you'll do is click on that to rename that file. That way you don't have to try and go to your computer and rename everything from the computer. You can do it all from the copier machine. You also have a file format that you can change. It does default to PDF, but if you would like it to show up as one of these, you are welcome to choose out of this list. If you click the More button, this will show you options for searchable PDFs, or if you want to encrypt that PDF, or if you want it to be one file per page, you can kind of change those according to what you need from here. You'll also see as you scan through the list here that all of these settings are very, very similar to your copy screen with the same basic functionalities, along with the reset at the bottom, which kind of clears out those settings and sends you back to the top. Now there are a few settings in here that are different from your copy screen, so just to kind of show you what those are, the first one is a resolution button, so you can kind of adjust the resolution of your document. And the second is a Remove Blank Pages button, which if you turn that on, this is going to be used for when you're scanning double-sided and single-sided documents to remove the back page of the single-sided document and kind of clean up your file for you. But aside from those different settings, you do have some image adjustments to make, and the best thing to remember is that these kind of first top 3-4 buttons are probably your most important or mostly used buttons that you can choose from. Once you're finished with email, you can simply hit the home button to exit out of that screen. To copy and scan, it is simply a matter of placing your document into the document feeder face up, selecting where you're sending that scan or selecting how many copies you want to make, and then selecting the Start button up in the top right hand corner, or in the email, the Send button, which is also in the top right hand corner. This will take care of any basic copy or basic scan.